Can you believe that we're already finished with Module 5? This semester is cruising by. So this week, in our summary of learning objectives, we talked about the holistic model of the patient education, and this is such an important part of your job as a medical assistant. Patient education is key to everything that we do with our patients. We're able to understand the stages of grief. We also discuss the 6 patient factors that have impact on learning. We're able to do many things now in relation to the teaching plan. And it's important that when we are working with the patient, we understand the whole patient and their needs, as well as we are able to find important resources for our patients. And this is something that you will keep up to date continually in your ambulatory care setting, because resources are constantly changing and growing. And then also we looked at HIPAA, and HIPAA is imperative to follow. So we've discussed this a lot, and this will be a theme that you will see throughout our entire classes with the medical assisting. I know that you're also working with Donna on HIPAA. So I'm glad we had this week, and you did an outstanding job. I look forward to seeing you next week in class.